Okay, today it's the 20th of March 2023. We have Porintie and Volkswagen 2 staircase G. Yeah, in Munkkivuori, Munkkivuori, close to Munkkivuori, Munkkivuori. Here Helsinki sports and Finland. Just from the same age here. Oh, they have the same lights.
Yeah.
So maybe this was finished in late 1958.
Yeah.
Because it's not so far from my basics.
Mm.
There are 8 floors here. The capacity is only 2 persons and 100 grams, and it's really rare because of that. Because normally you would have a 3-person one, but here it shows a 2-person for 8 floors.
Yeah.
Probably because of the budget.
Mm.
The sample is set 5 to 6. It's under 65 years old this year, 2023, when it will be inspected again. Let's take 3 rides here. I love the sounds in here.
Same. Niin se tippaa kiva isuttaa, että meidän nyt Espoon hissiin.
It's strange that there are no handrails here.
Yeah.
But H has them. Staircase H has handrails.
Mm.
I love the older type in them.
That's